Is Europe's industry in danger? Looking at the current flood of regulatory initiatives from the EU, the answer is yes, unfortunately. Businesses need a break from too detailed political intervention. Then they can focus on what they do best, innovate. When I say companies, I mean a very specific type. Europe's small and medium-sized enterprises, often referred to as hidden champions. In our industry, the machinery and equipment manufacturing, are mostly family-owned businesses with an average of 125 employees and an export ratio of 80%. They usually work with hundreds of suppliers from all over the world to produce their customized products. Now, let's take the example of the European due diligence legislation, which will affect the companies sooner or later. The objective of upholding human rights in third countries is the right one, and one that our companies have supported for years. But the political requirements for companies to verify social and environmental information along the entire value chain go too far. This will not be feasible for SMEs and will eventually put them at a disadvantage compared to other companies that are not subject to such obligations. And this is just one example of EU policy that is currently under discussion and might lead to more instead of less bureaucracy. So is European industry in danger? The clear answer is yes. The competitiveness of European industry is at risk if we do not put on the brakes now. EU policymakers would therefore be well advised to revise the legislative proposals to make them more manageable for small and medium-sized enterprises. This is what we at the VDMA, the voice of the European engineering industry, are campaigning for, now and in the coming legislative period.